Welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is Chinese remainder theorem. Congruency. Which of the following interval contains an integer satisfying the following three congruences: 401, 600, 601, 800, 801, 1000, 1001, 1200. So friends, now we will solve this problem. Solution. Let's start solve this problem. In here, okay, congruencies name. Congruency should I should write congruencies are x equivalent to 2 mod 5, x equivalent to 3 mod 7, and x equals to 4 mod 11. Question is CSIR 2011. So friends, let's start to solve this problem. A1 equals to 2 and A2 equals to 3, A3 equals to 4, M1 equals to 5, M2 equals to 7, and M3 equals to 11. So friends, capital M equals to 5 cross 7 cross 11. Capital M1 equals to 77. Capital M2 equals to 55. M3 equals to 35. How can I get? Because formula is mi equals to capital M divided by small mi. This is the note. Because I divided in here by 5, so I get 77. Here I divided by 7, so I get 55. Here I divided by 7, and here I divided by 11, so I get 35. So now let's start to solve our problem. 77x equivalent to 1 mod 5 and 0 equivalent to 155 mod 5. So I get 77x. I apply Chinese remainder theorem. Please check my video. What is the Chinese remainder theorem? I have already discussed in my channel. Short video, short note you can get in my channel. So you can check. So 77x equivalent to minus 154 mod 5, x equivalent to minus 2 mod 5. So x equivalent to 3 mod 5. So I get the solution is my x1 equals to 3. Similarly, 55x equivalent to 1 mod modulus congruency modulus 7, and 0 equivalent to 56 mod 7, and after that I get 55x equivalent to minus 55 mod modulus 7. So I get the value x equals to minus 1 mod 7 and equivalent to 6 mod 7. So this is my values. Thanks. Okay, so I hope you can understand. And after that, 35x equivalent to 1 mod 11, 1 mod 11, and 0x equals to equivalent to 209 mod 11, and after that I get 35x equivalent to 200 just adding 210 mod 11 and I get x is equal to 611. So I get whatever I get x1 equals to 3, x2 equals to 6 and x3 equals to x3 equals to 6. Okay, x3 equals to 6. So my capital M equals to 2 into 77 into 3 plus 3 into 55 into 6 plus 4 into 35 cross 6 equals to 2292. So unique solution 2292 mod 385 and it can be written 367 mod 385 modulus property. So friends, whatever you see that solution is 367 734 101 and 1468 ... up to infinity. So you see that my solution should be option B and option D. I hope I can clear. So friends, check these solutions, check this PDF properly. The 367 not include in 401 and 600 and 734 include 601 800 and 1101 include this portion. So my option B and D is correct. Thanks for watching.